Hello and welcome everyone. So in this video I would like to solve one of the learning curve question. Illustration 2. The learning curve as a management accounting has now become or going to become an accepted tool in industry for its applications are almost unlimited. When it is used correctly, it can lead to increased business and higher profits. When used without proper knowledge, it can lead to lost business. State that precisely your understanding of the learning curve, the theory of learning curve, the areas where learning curve may assist in management accounting, and illustrate the use of learning curve for calculating the expected average unit cost of making 4 machines and 8 machines using the data below. Here, direct labor need to make fast machine 1000 hours. Learning curve 90%. Direct labor cost 15 per hour. Direct material cost 1,50,000 and fixed cost for either size orders rupees 60,000. So this is the data. Read the question carefully. Fast machine 1000 hours. Direct labor need to make fast machine 1000 hours. Again in question, learning curve 90%. Direct labor cost 15 per hour. Direct material cost 1,50,000 and fixed cost for either size order rupees 60,000. Then we need to prepare cost of making 4 machines and 8 machines. So let's solve this question. Very easy questions here. First, number of machine. Okay. Time hour given 1000 hours. So we need to find out average time hours. Again, labor cost given, labor cost 15 per hour. Here we have to find out labor cost also. ये पेन थोड़ा चल नहीं रहा है ठीक से. Labor cost and also direct material given 1 lakh. So we need to material cost will be fixed. Okay. Again, fixed cost given 60,000. Fixed cost will be reduced with number of machine. Fixed cost and here total. So we need to find out all these figures. Number of machine. Here in questions given that fast machine that labor need to make fast machine 1000 hours. So here you can write number of machine 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, so here average time hours, first machine 1000 hours given, 1000 hours, and again in question asked that a learning curve is 90%. That means average time hours will be reduced with same fixed percentage of learning curve with the increase in number of machine. So here you can say in machine number 2 average time hours will be 1000 into 90% is equal to 900. Again, in case of machine 4 average time hour will be similarly 900 into 90 by 100 is equal to 900 into 90 by 100, 810. And in case of number of machine 8, the average time hour will be similarly 810 into 90 by 100 is equal to 810 into 90 by 100. The figure will be 729. Okay, so we have obtained the average time hours, labor cost. Here you can check that a labor cost given in question, labor cost given 15 per hour, means here for machine 1 labor cost will be 1000 into 15 is equal to 15,000. In question given that rupees 15 per hour, so for 1000 hour it will be 15,000. Similarly for 900 hours it will be 13,500. Similarly in case of 4 number of machines, labor cost will be 810 into 15 is equal to 810 into 15 is equal to 12,150. Clear? So similarly in that way for 8 number of machine, labor cost will be 729 into 15 is equal to 729 into 15, it will be 10,935. Clear? Okay, so you have find out the labor cost for 8 machines. Now material, here in question that direct material cost given rupees 1,50,000. So here 1,50,000 will be fixed irrespective of the number of machines, irrespective of the increase of number of machines. 1,50,000 and 1,50,000. Clear? Now fixed cost, here fixed cost given 60,000. Fixed cost for either size orders, fixed cost for either size order. Here in question, read carefully that it asks fixed cost for either size order, means here you can, for number of machine 1 fixed cost will be 60,000, but in case of number of machine 2 fixed cost will be reduced to 30,000. Okay, in case of number of machine 4 fixed cost will be 15,000. Same proportion amount will be decreased. Now for 8 number of machines fixed cost will be 7,500. 7,500. Now we can find out the total value of labor cost, material and fixed cost. Labor cost, here labor cost 15,000 plus material 1,50,000 plus fixed cost 60,000, 2,25,000. 2,25,000. Similarly, for 2 number of machines, cost will be, total cost will be 13,500 plus 1,50,000 plus 30,000, 1,93,500. Again, for 4 number of machines, the total cost will be 12,150 plus 1,50,000 plus 15,000, 1,77,150. Now for 8 number of machines, the total cost will be 1,0935 plus 1,50,000, 7,500, 1,68,435. So here we have find out all the requirement, that is number of machine, average time hours, labor cost, number of machine, average time hour, labor cost, material, fixed cost and the total cost. So in question given that you have to find out the in question given that using the data you have to find out the average cost of making 4 machines and average cost of making 8 machines. Okay, so now we can easily find out that average cost of making 4 machines, it will be rupees this one. Here is question given for in question given that illustrate the use of learning curves for calculating the expected average unit cost of making 4 machines and 8 machines. Already given in question, expected average unit cost of making 4 units and 8 machines. Okay, so accordingly I have to find out that average cost of making 4 machines will be 1,77,000 for 4 machines, 1,77,150, that is this one, and average cost of similarly average cost of making 8 machines, it will be rupees this one, 1,68,435. 1,68,435. Okay, this is it. Solve. I have solved it. The learning of question. It is very easy and very interesting. Okay, but you need to revise it as much as possible. But without revision, you can do it in exam hall. So you need to revise it. Okay, this question contains 6 marks and sure short marks will be awarded. You just need to do in this way. First you need to find out number of machines, then average time hours if given, then average time hours will be reduced with same percentage of learning curve, that is 90%, 90%, 90%, 90%, 90%, 90%, 90%, 90%, and labor cost. Here labor cost given 15 per hour, means it will be multiplied with average time hours. Okay, so in material cost already fixed irrespective of the machine produced. So material cost 1 lakh 50, 1 lakh 50, 1 lakh 50 and 1 lakh 50, no change, and fixed cost will be reduced according to machine with same proportion of half amount. Then you have to find out the cost total, that for machine 1 it will be 2 lakh 25, machine 2 1 lakh 93,500, and number of machine 4 the total cost will be 1 lakh 77,150, and for number of 8, machine number 8, the total cost will be 1 lakh 68,435. Accordingly, average cost of making 4 machine will be 1,77,150, and average cost of making 8 machines, it will be rupees 1,68,435. So this is it, all about illustration to learning curve. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your support and love.